Welcome to our very new page. So this page is all about cars, roads and Dubai. So right now we have a very special car with us which we imported from US. It was a damaged car, a bit of damage was there in the car and we imported and fixed the car, and that is Honda Civic 2024. And the car is a bit not clean right now, so we're gonna have it clean. We're gonna ask some of the brothers to do the cleaning and stuff, and after the cleaning we'll have a short review of the car. If you see the car is very dirty right now, but still it looks beautiful. We have a guy here who's gonna help us in the cleaning. भैया कितने पैसे टोटल होंगे सफाई के? 15 dirhams. So we're gonna have the car clean in 15 dirhams. So it's gonna take like about 30 minutes and the car would be clean in just 15 dirhams, boys. 15 dirhams. So you are coming to Udmeta, 319D parking. Near Imli Chili, this guy is a great guy and he's gonna help you in cleaning in just 15 dirhams. So if you look at the car from the inside, it has a very good room with a very good AC compartment and a wide screen. And if you see the drive is very quite nice. The pickup is very cool. So Honda Civic 2024 has quite some changes, and this is a American variant. The speedometer, it is quite simple, straight. The number is very visible. The good part about Honda Civic, they have a lot of features inside the car, and we've got a push button right here, and we have got all the controls right here, and then the speakers are of Bose. I mean the top music brand. For the size of my headroom, it's quite small. I mean I'm 6 foot tall, but if you see my head is almost on the roof, and we've got the sunroof as well, which is also a plus point in Khaliji cars, but this one is American, if I mention. Hope you loved the video. For more videos, subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.